In this video, you will see how to add comment in Word on Mac. As you can see, I have added this comment and it's very easy. First, what you need to do is select the text that you want to add comment to. After highlighting the text, go to the review tab here, or you can also click on the comment tab here. After clicking on the review tab, here you will see the option of new comment. You can just click on this option to insert a comment on Word Mac. Here your name will be displayed and you will get this comment box. You can just type the comment here and then click on this option to post the comment. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Command plus Enter to post the comment. You can see the date and the time at which the comment was made. And if this comment is made by another person and you want to give a thumbs up, you can also click on the thumbs up. That means okay. And if you want to edit the comment, you can click on these three dots. Here you will get the option of edit comment and then you can click on it. Just edit the comment and then click on save to make changes to the comment. You can also resolve the thread if the comment is resolved, so you can just resolve and the comment will be gone. You can also select this option delete thread if you want to delete the comment you have made in the Word document. If you want to see all the resolved comments like this, you can just click on the comment option here and you will see the resolved comment. You can reopen the thread if you want to, or you can simply delete the thread if the work has been completed. In this way, you can use comment in Word on Mac. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word on Mac quickly. See you again in the next one.